Hi guys, welcome back to our dashboard series, and today we're going to learn how to create a detailed responsive table on a mobile, that is the mobile version of our table. So I'll start by selecting our table and then I'll copy this, bring it out. So this is what we're going to be working with. So while our frame is selected, I'm going to adjust our table to a width of 358. I'm going to now select our frame again, then come to this section and select clip content. Then I'll select this outermost frame and make sure to align it to the top left. Before I now go into our table, I'll now start extending our table back again. I'll keep extending it till everything is properly stretched out. So one way to know is to still select our outermost frame and unclip the content so you can see that everything is properly stretched out. So I'm going to clip our content back again. For our toolbar, we're going to collapse these chips. So I'm going to copy this, paste it here. We're going to turn these 4 tabs into a drop down menu since we're working with very minimal width or horizontal spacing for mobile. So this is the drop down icon and this is our first drop down, which is all. So I'm going to just create an auto layout between the both of them and keep the spacing as 2. Then this is going to be on the left while this will be on the right. So I'm going to just create an auto layout between the both of them using Shift A on my keyboard. Then I'm going to set the spacing to auto. Then I'm going to copy our filter button. And then I'm also going to duplicate it and add our sort button. I'm also going to change this icon. I'll just paste to replace and adjust it to 20, just like this one. Then I'm going to create an auto layout between the both of them using Shift A on my keyboard again, and then I'm going to give it a spacing of 12. Then I'll highlight the 2 frames and then give them an auto layout again, then set this spacing to 12. Then I'll select this frame that bears sort and filter button. Then I'll set the width to fill container. I'll also select this and set it to the middle. Then I'll select this and select this and set the 2 buttons to fill container so it automatically expands. So I'm just going to copy this, then select this frame without the stroke. Then I'm going to paste to replace so we automatically have this, right? Then I will go in again and highlight this frame. Then I will set it to fill container so it automatically expands and fits the container. Then I'm also going to add a bottom padding of 16 for the frame. Then I'm going to give it a corner radius of 4. Then I'm going to bring in our general invoice page. I'm just going to stretch this more. Then I'm going to bring in our invoice detailed table. Then I'll highlight our table and make sure it's positioned to the center. I'm going to just drag this in a little, then drag this as well. So we've come to the end of this video, and if you have questions or any concerns at all, do let me know in the comment section.